नहीं जानते हम मणिपुर के बारे में ज्यादा कुछ। अभी चल रहे सिविल अनरेस्ट से पहले भी नहीं मालूम था और अब तो और भी ऐसा लगता है कि जानकारी कम ही आ रही है। टिफ में प्रीमियर हुई ये फिल्म देखकर थोड़ी और अपनी शॉर्टकमिंग्स क्लियर हो गई मुझे। हे ऑल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल, जहां टिफ से अभी कुछ इंटरव्यूज कुछ रिव्यूज आने शुरू हो गए हैं। आज अब बात करें अबाउट द सेकंड बिग प्रीमियर आई वॉच्ड फ्रॉम इंडिया असाइड फ्रॉम सुपर बॉयज ऑफ मालेगांव। ये फिल्म है मणिपुर की, इसका नाम है बूंग, डायरेक्टेड बाय लक्ष्मी प्रिया देवी। तो बूंग है एक एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑफ चाइल्डहुड अमिड सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल अनरेस्ट। कभी ऑब्वियस जो होता है, कभी थोड़ा सिनिस्टर हो जाता है। द फिल्म प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट इज अ डेलिकेट एंड पावरफुल टेल ऑफ हाउ मैन्युफैक्चर्ड स्ट्राइफ unknowingly permeates the lives of ordinary citizens, particularly children, and how they cope with love, friendship, and peace in such conditions. Starring Bala Hejam, Gugun Kipgen, Vikram Kochar, Angam Saramatum. I'm so sorry for my pronunciations. Boong is as much about family as it is about the deeper cultural, political, and regional tensions that shape Manipur. So Boong is a young boy who lives in a small village with his single mother. They are both grappling with the absence of his father, Joy Kumar, who one day went out of town to work and has mysteriously, frustratingly been incommunicado for a while. He has not come back. Is he dead? Has he disowned them? Has he been captured by border security? Nobody has answers, and his wife is not allowed the time and space to go looking for any. In Joy Kumar's absence, his brother's family is also looking for ways to stake their claim on his property की वो तो गया, अभी अपने को लैंड दो वापस। तो यहीं पर ये कॉल टू एडवेंचर आता है बूंग का, कि एक शहर का नाम हमें पता है जहाँ पिताजी गए हैं मोरे, किसी तरह वहां पहुंचे और उन्हें ढूंढकर वापस ले आए तो माँ बेचारी फिर से खुश हो जाएगी। इट्स सो स्वीट एंड अनकॉम्प्लिकेटेड व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू डू। लक्ष्मी प्रिया देवी, हु आई स्पोक विद अबाउट द फिल्म, उसका लिंक यहाँ पर हम डाल देते हैं इंटरव्यू का। शी हैज पुट हर होल हार्ट, हर होल लाइफ इनटू दिस मूवी। शी हैज बीन एन एडी इन हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री फॉर मेनी डेकेड्स नाउ, बट फॉर हर डेब्यू एज अ फिल्म मेकर शी गोज बैक टू स्टोरीज क्लोजेस्ट टू हर हार्ट of Rajasthani migrants who arrived in Imphal over 100 years ago, but they are still looked at outsiders, mirroring exactly how mainlanders treat Indian citizens from the northeast and the rest of the country. She ponders in this film if that region's unrest filters down to even the smallest corners of perhaps her own childhood. She's looking for answers. She's designing moments that lay clear many prejudices and divisions, giving you, the viewer, a not so subtle and clear insight into Manipur's complex socio-political fabric. Exploring this through the eyes of a child makes the story more compelling, more honest. What does a child know about borders, skin color, money? When do children wisen up to realize that there are some things that parents just cannot fix? Slowly you see these children weighed down by adult concerns through the duration of this film. Their carefree days are exchanged for anxiety. Lakshmi Priya Devi weaves a very delicate tale, raising questions almost constantly. Are people who claim to be fighting for peace truly legitimate in their cause, or is it a reflection of a deeper frustration? What good is banning Hindi cinema going to do? But is it okay that instead of a Manipuri actor, Priyanka Chopra got to play Mary Kom? Scenes between Mandakini, played by Bala Hejam, and her son Boong are just heartbreakingly beautiful. They are both balancing love and grief in overwhelming quantities, both unsure of how to survive another day, engulfed in despondence. Vikram Kochar's portrayal of the friendly Sudhir is so sweet, his kindness crossing over into naivete occasionally. You expect a man to show up in a movie and make things okay for Boong, for Mandakini. But the climate here is so complex. Him and his son Raju might be even in more danger every day for simply existing. This tension, it's palpable, and it's just there throughout the film. Boong can be an infuriating watch at times because everyone seems to be caught in an invisible web they don't know how to get out of. Yet it's these complexities that make the film a must watch. Kab release hogi, that's anybody's guess, but make sure you keep Boong on your radar. आगे टोरंटो इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल से दे माइट बी रिव्यूज जिनके वीडियोस हम इस चैनल पर नहीं बनाएंगे, पर मैं लिख कर उन्हें पब्लिश जरूर करूंगी अपने मीडियम के पेज पर। उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं डाल देती हूँ, आप जाके उधर देखो इफ यू वांट टू रीड मोर रिव्यूज। इंटरव्यूज वगैरह आ रहे हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर लें आप चैनल को। माय नेम इज सुचारिता, थैंक यू फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय।